all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collection of semi-tassel sarees. In that, we are going to see some nice silver zari borders, golden zari borders, woven designs, copper zari borders, all different kind of beautiful collections. And it's going to be really a budget-friendly collection also, somewhere from 800 to 1000 ranges, where it's going to be perfect for gifting. Regarding the maintenance of these sarees, first time dry wash for these sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And you can walk into our store also. Our store is located in Chennai, Mandavali. We are open from morning 10:30 to evening 8:30. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very beautiful semi-tassel saree, a nice embossed pattern. Both the sides you could see a small zari pattern with a elephant in the border, and throughout the body we have a very pretty embossed design running through the body with small elephant motifs in zari pattern. Very pretty one. And the pallu of the saree is this, a beautiful pallu with a rich blouse for this saree, and the price for the saree is 970. In the same patterns, a beautiful nice dark green with elephant motifs in the zari border with self-embossed pattern. Looks really nice, and the border is both thread border and again a zari border, and the price of this saree is 970. The next color is going to be a nice light pink, more of a peachish pink I could say. In that the zari motif is in a floral pattern motif. Very beautiful one, and the border is a thread border with zari borders. Looks really nice. So this is the body of the saree. So it looks. Next color is going to be a nice sapphire green with a floral pattern motif in the zari. Beautiful pattern. The borders are also small borders. Looks really nice. So this is the body of the saree. Very lovely pattern. Next is going to be a beautiful wine shade, nice wine shade with elephant pattern motif in the body. This is the body of the saree. And the next is going to be a reddish pink. It's more a pink with a light tinge of red, that kind of a shade. It's really classy with floral print in the zari and a self-embossed pattern. Very pretty saree. And the last in the same pattern is going to be navy blue. Beautiful color, nice navy blue with zari motifs. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 970. A very beautiful magenta shade semi-tassel saree in silver zari border. Beautiful pattern, small silver zaris on both the sides of the saree. Classic pattern, self-embossed design, beautiful design. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, more in a tissue pattern, and the price of the saree is 890. In the same pattern we have some nice combination. This is more of a dark nagapada shade combination. Looks really nice with silver zari borders and self-embossed pattern in the body. So this is how the saree looks. Beautiful color, lovely shade. The next color is off-white, very classic one, off-white with nice silver zari border. If you pair it up with some nice contrast colors, it will look beautiful. Very beautiful color. The next is going to be more of a dark maroon shade, slightly a pinkish maroon with zari, with silver zari borders and self-embossed pattern. So this is how the saree looks. This is the body of the saree. The next color is going to be navy blue with silver zari. Beautiful color combo. This is the body of the saree. And the next is going to be nice green, peacock green with silver zari border. This is the body of the saree. Very classic and nice designs. The next is going to be grey, beautiful grey with silver zari. Very different combo. Actually, if you pair it up with some nice contrast color blouses, it will look really nice, or even silver tissue blouses will be very pretty. This is the body of the sari, and the price of this sari is 890. Very pretty semi-tassel sari with zari borders on both the sides and lovely print running through the body. More of a bird pattern design in the print. Beautiful design. Looks really nice and classy. Very ideal for gifting. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 890. This is a very beautiful Ananda blue shade with zari borders and nice bird pattern print. Looks really nice and classic. These saris will be typically very best for the gifting season. Very beautiful sari, and the price of this sari is 890. The next color in the same pattern, it's a beautiful dark green with the golden zari border. Nice sari. This is the body of the sari. The next color is off-white with beautiful grey color print border with golden zari border on both the sides. The border looks really nice. The sari looks really rich and classic. Very seems a very less price, but looks very high in look. Next is a pink color with zari border. This is the body of the sari, and the next is going to be nice maroon, beautiful maroon with golden zari border. This is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 890. Since it's all the same pattern, just showing you the colors. The next is a nice green with golden zari border, more of a light peacock green shade. This is the body of the sari. Next is going to be navy blue with golden zari border, bird pattern design. This is the body of the sari, and next is going to be grey, beautiful grey with golden zari border. This is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 890. Very beautiful semi-tassel sari, more of a light copper shade border. Looks really classy and grand. Very beautiful border, big and small border pattern, and throughout the body a self-embossed design running throughout the body. It's a nice dark blue, navy blue shade. This is the pallu of the sari with tassels. The pallu also looks rich, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1270. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful dark green with more of a light copper shade border. Looks really nice. Very beautiful self-embossed pattern. This is how the body of the sari looks. Very nice pattern, and the price of this sari is 1270. There's one more shade in this. That's going to be a nice wine shade. This is the body of the sari. You could see it. Beautiful wine shade. So I'll just open. Yeah, this is the body of the sari. Lovely color with a big border and a small border pattern, and you have tassels in the corners. And the price of this sari is 1270. A very beautiful, more of a dark onion peel shade semi-tassel sari with zari borders on both the sides, and lovely thread embossed pattern running through the body of the sari. Looks really classy. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1120. A very beautiful red color semi-tassel sari with a nice zari and thread weaving in the borders, small borders on both the sides, and throughout the body a beautiful self-embossed pattern running through the body. Looks really classy. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is a line blouse. It's really classy. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1050. In the same patterns, a beautiful dual shade of blue and pink color combination. Looks really nice. with small zari borders and a thread border in this. The dual tone of these sarees will make the saree look very different and beautiful. This is the body of the saree. The next color is going to be grey and pink. Very different shade of dual tone. You could see this. Very beautiful different tone shade. Grey and pink. Classic combinations. The next color is going to be a royal blue. A royal blue and more of a light tinge of yellow shade. So these colors are just amazing colors. Looks really nice. I just love these colors. The next is going to be a dark green and pink shade. The dual tone shade is very different. This is the body of the saree. The next is going to be navy blue. Again navy blue with pink shade. Again a nice combo of dual tone shade. This is the body of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1050. And this is going to be a lovely shade of pink with light yellow. This is the body of the saree. And the price of the saree is 1050. A very beautiful magenta shade semi-tussar saree with thread borders on both the sides and the self-embossed design running through the body. And the emboss is more in a violet shade, so it gives the dual tone shade pattern. It's really classy. This is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of this saree is 1020. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful navy blue with pink color combination, self-embossed pattern with a nice thread border on both the sides. Looks really nice, very classy pattern. So this is the body of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1020.